Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing for you. This one is from Pandahall Selected. They reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do a review on some of their products. So I went ahead and said yes. I will have all of the links to the products in the description box below, as well as the link to the website. There is also a coupon code, and it is just Stacy, and it is for $6 off any order over $59. Okay, so the first thing I got, I'm going to go ahead and take everything out of the bag. The first thing I got was some beads. These are fairly small. I wanted them that small just because of what they're going to get used for. But they are packaged. I love the way they're packaged. And I am moving this table like crazy. All right, hang on. I got to move the table a little bit forward. There we go. So I'm just going to put them in here out of the bag because I don't need them in the bag anymore. But I love how they always send containers for the items. I think it's great. So you see the hole is a good size, so you can actually thread that pretty easily. But I just love these beads. They are so pretty. So I got that. And like I said, I love the container that they put these in. Okay, the next one that I got, if I can get it out, I got some wax seal items. And this was like a little kit, and it came with the wax, which it came with two. Which I love these. It even says sealing wax on it. Came with the handle. It's just a regular handle. You basically just screw these on, and they're interchangeable, which makes it to where you really only need the one handle. But this one is a little cat. So I loved that. Had to get it. And then the second one that came with it is kind of like the galaxy, the universe, whatever, the galaxy. It's got all the planets and such around it, and you've got the sun in the middle. So I loved that. So there is that one. They I like the fact that it came as a little kit with the wax, because I have a bad habit of not getting wax, so that I can't use my kits that I get. Okay, and then this set is a very, very cute set, which is another reason why I got these beads, kind of to play around with it. These are bookmarks, and I'm going to go ahead and take them out of the bag. They are metal bookmarks. You can see each one is different. You've got a dragon, you've got a hummingbird, you've got the feather, and then you've got the dolphin. And I love these. So what you are doing with them, you've got the little eye pins here. you've got the charms as well. And then you've got some plastic beads. So you can see it's got the little ring here. And you're basically just going to make a little dangle for the bookmark. And I just thought these were adorable, so I had to get this set. I am looking forward to working with it. The like I said, these beads I think are probably the ones I'm going to use for it instead of these. But yeah, I just loved this set. I had to get it. Okay, and the last thing I got was this. It is the different, you've got the different rings and you've got the different clips, the Lobster Claws. You've got, let's see if I can open this so the glare will come off. Oh, and let me show you this real quick. This actually shows you some of the instructions basically on the bookmark. So you've got, it shows you exactly what you're going to do with them and how you can hang them and such. So it's super cute. I absolutely love this. I have never seen this before. That was the first time I'd ever seen the bookmarks. So I thought I would grab it. I am trying to get this package open and it won't. Oh, here we go. There we go. It's good having a pointy ring. You can slice it through plastic. Okay, so here is the kit. And they have different sizes in here. I'm going to open the largest one just to show you if I can. I don't think it's taped. Yeah, there we go. It's just really, really stiff. No, it was taped. That would be why. Okay. So here are one of the Lobster Claws. And they have 6 different sizes in here, which I love. And then you've got, let's see, you've got tape on this side too. You've got the rings over here, the jump rings. And I am still learning how to use these. I've got a little tool set. Well, let's see. I'm going to tell you, these, you don't have to ever worry about them popping open on accident, because I can't even get them to pop open on purpose. I'll have to play with this. I think it might still be taped or something. But yeah, so all these different sizes, and as you can see, there's a lot in here. So you get quite a bit for the price. So I think that's really great. So that is it. That is what I picked out. Like I said, I will have, oh, here's another package of the beads for the bookmarks. It blended in. I didn't see it. That is it. I will have everything in the description box below. I will have links to all of the items for you. I will also have the link to the store. I will also put the coupon code in the description box as well, so you guys will be able to see that. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.